Welcome to Hydraulic Press channel.
Hi.
I'm Lauri.
I'm Hanna.
And you have been fooled by big lumber all these years. I realized this today morning. Lumber, you have to go to hardware store, pay big money. You are being fooled. Because trees, they just stick out from the ground and they don't ask any money when you cut them down. So, are they any good? That's what we are going to find out today. This is 2x4 and I have calculated cross-sectional area and it's the same as on this.
Okay.
Expensive lumber, free tree. Which is stronger? Which one you should use? That's what we are going to find out today. And the setup is really simple. I'm going to place 2 support things and press from the middle and we are going to see which one is going to snap first. And we have also Christmas tree.
Christmas tree?
Christmas tree and shit tree.
Yeah, we have a lot of those.
This is really annoying.
Yeah.
If you cut one of these down, 10 is going to be there next summer.
Yeah.
It's going to take over the whole yard if you don't cut them down all the time. So that's what we did today morning. Let's first do 2x4 on both directions and then the trees. Okay, here is the house of cards that's going to fall down soon. Hopefully not. But I wanted to bit longer because if it's really short, it's like easy to stay rigid. It's always harder to stay like rigid when it's a bit longer. So I put this. Then we have the lift up, so we have some room to brake and we are going to push with this. And let's start with this. I think it's harder this way. And here is our 240 ton force sensor.
As always.
And the display is there that's going to save the peak force. And this is our remote control 5 million. If you have ever thought...
It's 10 million.
10 million, we have new strings.
Yeah, new strings.
But if you have thought how things are done in YouTube channel with 10 million subscribers, it's like this. It's not Bluetooth, it's blue string. Almost the same. Here we go.
Here we go.
Looks really flimsy.
Yeah.
Okay, 3 tons.
Okay.
3 tons, that's quite a lot. I say that this is only one. 1.2, I was pretty close.
Yeah.
I think, isn't this is birch.
Yeah, that's birch.
That's birch. This is spruce. This is the final boss of the forest.
Yeah.
So let's start with the most annoying. This is it's paju in Finnish. I have no idea what is in English.
It's not paju.
What is that?
It's leppä tai haapa.
But pretty much all the same, annoying trees. In Finland we have birch, spruce, pine and rest of the trees.
Yeah. I think some ant would be
and
very
then there are fancy trees like maple and what is the thumb? Is it oak?
Oak tree.
But those doesn't count because we don't have anything fancy in Finland.
That looks flimsy. Ooh, 3 trees.
1.5. It started to skirt out from there.
Yeah, and also there.
Oh, yeah, that's interesting.
Both ends.
Then the Christmas tree. Now that's moved slightly. Let's push it back. Yeah, now we are. Is this also?
Yeah.
Yeah, we have to stay calibrated at all times. I say that this is going to be less. Oh!
I was right. Oh, now.
Almost 2 tons.
There isn't any choice.
No. I think we might have a thinner here.
We must have.
This feels much heavier and as in like firewood, this is the best. I think this has like 1.5 times the energy of the previous 2 ones. So let's see if it has the same multiplier on strength, then it's like 4 tons.
Choice joints.
it looks strong.
Ah. Are you going really slow?
Yeah.
Lot of joints.
We are really close to it. No! That was so close of us beating the big lumber. 2.85. But if you take the average from this direction and this direction, then that's better. Because that's the same on every direction. So the verdict is out. Hanna, what is lumber?
Scam.
It's a scam. You can just pick trees for free from the forest and they are probably stronger if you pick this one.
Yeah, pick this one.
Pick this one, yeah. I think we have to also test like standing up. Does it buckle easily? That's the next
Let's
test.
try.
But before that, I want to share a couple things. First, this video on Beyond the Press channel, we visited local factory with this giant hydraulic roller that turns 4-inch thick steel plate into this roll. And also at the same factory, we had this huge lathe. Just the tool holder is larger and more expensive than any of my own lathes. So excellent video, that is linked down in description. And if you like machined stuff, go check out our dice store. We have CNC machined dice from multiple different metals. The idea is a bit like element collection, but one that you can play with. And we have multiple materials. Steels, aluminium, magnesium, zirconium, titanium, copper, and yes, we have also tungsten. It's probably not most usable dice because it's really heavy, and as I said, I like sharp corners, so these are sharp with sharp corners. They are more meant to be like good looking dice than the most usable dice, but if you just want something that looks absolutely amazing, go check out our dice set. It's also the best way to support the channel. And this is just the cherry on the top. The verdict is already out. Lumber is a scam. First, the scam.
The scam.
Scam lumber.
I think we
It's
should.
like 10 tons.
What we really should do is ask everything from woodworker Don.
Yeah, that's true. Oh, it was 12 tons.
What?
Yeah, I'm a bit afraid that this might.
Not that least.
I can't.
Okay.
I can't wait now. It's like
Aha.
I already said that it's a scam. So if it isn't, then it's like I want to know.
Okay.
It was more.
Was it?
Yeah.
I can't believe.
Oh, that's not definitely not good. Yeah, check this. 13.4. It's a scam.
Big lumber scam.
This is not even straight.
No. Doesn't matter.
This is crooked as hell.
Well, that's.
That was like 7.
The whole table is moving.
Hey, but that was 7.5 tons. How about
Okay.
this? Bit over 10.
Now it smells like Christmas. Oh.
This one stays up the best. It doesn't like fall down at all. What did the saw guy say? That there is sugar on this.
Yeah,
Yeah, like I don't remember how much, but
it
there
was
is.
a lot of sugar.
Smells like bit like fish.
No.
Yeah.
Yeah, this smell, that doesn't smell.
Yeah, that's true. And don't worry, we don't waste the wood. We are going to put it into our sauna, so it's going to heat up us nicely. Or maybe during the winter heat up the whole
Whole
house.
house.
Yeah, if you wanna see where the wood are going, I have my beloved video about my wood burning oven, and me and Anni, we had a like competition. I said that it's going to get over 100,000 views, and Anni said it's going to never get those views. And
You
and,
have been advertising that video so many times.
and we are only missing like 20,000. So if you think that it's good for me to win my ex-wife on stupid competition, please go watch the video.
Yeah.
And that is all for today.
Thank you for watching.
Have a nice day.